quick little book, guys. Found it up at the half price books again, guys, for $5.99, say $6. The Hunter's Rifle by the North American Hunting Club. And guys, this book is old. This book is almost old as me. I was born in '87. This book was published in '88 for this edition. So, Judgment of the Rifles, talking about bullet actions, different actions and different rifles, eye relief on scopes and different stuff. Today's hunting rifles, how they change from the days. Now today is most common hunting rifles a bolt action rifle, guys. For hunting, the craze for the super magnums and supreme accuracy and different stuff. Where back in the day, most guys carried your old military surplus bolt action rifle or your lever action rifle. Me, right around here in Pennsylvania, a lot of guys are carrying pumps. The grandfather of the 222 Magnum. Back in the day for turkey hunting using a rifle. Pennsylvania used to allow it till about 2-3 years ago. And they finally stopped it for fall hunting. The 253,000, guys. I'm almost 70. Famous old Browning. Time tested. 35 Roman 336. A favorite here. Got one myself. Done a couple videos on it. I haven't taken dare with it. I used the model 760. This is a new model 7600. But same rifle, basically. That old rifle. It's an automatic. No carbine. Came in 9mm or 45 ACP. Thing, guys, the discussion of whitetail deer hunting. What caliber you should be chasing that with? Joe Layton 358, 358 Win Mag. Now that'll get the job done. I even has the 223 in here, Remington. What do they think about it for deer hunting? Between 250, 220 Swift. 243 is the smallest we can go here in Pennsylvania. Favorite of some people, some 30 waters. Standby 30-30 Winchester and 32 Special. Revolver cartridges for deer hunting. A 6x55 Swedish. Mil 08. 7x57 Mauser. 308. There's an article on long range shooting, guys, and what you should do. A little snippet of problem antelope. Best of your cartridge, guys. They think different calibers. Time with caribou hunting really quick. It's like about a little bit. Get a really good one. Black bear and boar. .444 Marlin. The mountain game. They got them cheap and stuff. I would say that's true. I shot a deer with a Winchester silver tip 4. Had about that result. And I've used in modern day silver tips from Winchester. It was in there loaded with the Hornady. And same result. Actually went and bought some of those ballistic silver tips to load in my 243 because of the results I had on game. Cool rifle, that exotic sheep, 6x47 Wildcat. Purchased for the big game here in North America: elk, moose, and big bear. Where he talked a lot about the big bore calibers, the Normas, the 300 Win Mags, the 300 Normas, 8mm rim mags, your pair of 33s or your 338s. And I've seen some 338s hammered some deer, especially here in Pennsylvania. My dad hunted with a 338 Win Mag for years. The 375 H&H, people don't know, I mean, that's a little much for elk, but hey, if you got it, you can load it down and you can load it up. So, what a good classic there. Some rim mag. Had one myself, and I love that caliber. Even talked about the 270, hunting over the 270 and inside of woods range. Well, good bullet. You know, like the 280 Remington. Article in here, guys, for varmint hunters. Article. The minimum North American battery, talking about guns you should have and the minimum guns you should have. Or a minimum caliber for rifles you should have for hunting in North America. 2 rifles. Regular choice of 4 rifles, the best choice for North America for hunting. I can agree to that. Small end chapter and an end of custom rifles for hunters. Like your custom rifle built to you and ear caliber and all the goodies. Something worth picking up, guys. If you find it, pick it up and give it a read. I know it's outdated now these days, but for a first-time hunter, some good information. You can start where a lot of hunters started in the 80s and learn your knowledge from there and what to take. You don't need the greatest and greatest super magnum or the greatest caliber out there. You can get by with an old caliber. You don't need to reach for that super fast, crazy hyper mag or whatever on the shelf. So, good book to pick up for the rifle hunter or a new hunter. We'll talk to you guys later.